In this video, let us talk about the discriminant of quadratic functions. For any quadratic functions in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, the value of the discriminant t is b squared minus 4ac. Itong discriminant ay significant para ma-identify mo without graphing kung ano yung mga solutions ng quadratic function. Real ba yan? Imaginary ba yan? So, ganon. And meron tayong three types. Una, kapag yung discriminant daw natin ay greater than 0. So kapag ang discriminant ay greater than 0, meron niyang sinasuggest. It means na meron kang dalawa or two real solutions. Okay? At dahil meron kang dalawang real solutions, meron kang 0 imaginary solutions. Kasi ang quadratic functions ay meron lamang dalawang solutions. Kung yung dalawa ay real, malamang 0 ang imaginary. So halimbawa, ito yung ating coordinate plane system. Yan. Kapag yung discriminant ay greater than 0 or positive, yung ating quadratic function ay magpa-pass through sa dalawang points sa x-axis. Itong point na to, saka ito. Ayan yung real solutions, di ba? Two real solutions. Ayan yan. Ito, saka to. Okay? Ngayon, paano naman kung yung discriminant is equal to 0? Well, kapag equal sa 0 ang discriminant, meron kang one real solution or one real root. Okay? And one real solution is also known as the double solution. Ano ibig sabihin ng double solution? So halimbawa, ito yung coordinate plane system natin. Yung quadratic function mo will touch but not pass through the x-axis. So meron kang isang solution dito. Yan. And actually, hindi lang isa yan. Dalawa yan. Kaya lang double solution. Alright? Tapos yung third type is when the discriminant is negative or less than 0. Kapag ganyan, wala kang real solutions. No real solutions. And dahil wala kang real solutions, meron kang two imaginary solutions. So halimbawa, ito yung coordinate plane system. Kapag wala kang real solutions, yung quadratic function mo ay hindi tatama sa x-axis. So basically, yung discriminant, malalaman mo yung real solutions mo kung ilan, kung ano yung properties without actually graphing the quadratic function. Alright? So for now, let's solve some example problems para ma-demonstrate natin paano gamitin itong discriminant. Example, suppose we have x squared minus 8x plus 17 equals 0. Analyze natin yung roots ng quadratic function na to. Alright, the leading coefficient a is equal to 1. The linear coefficient b is negative 8. Tapos yung constant term ay 17. Ang sabi natin, yung discriminant ay may formula na b squared minus 4ac. Substitute natin yung values ng a, b, and c. b squared, b is negative 8. So negative 8 squared minus 4 times a is 1, times c, 17. Negative 8 squared is positive 64. Minus 4 times 1 times 17 is 68. Therefore, discriminant is equal to 64 minus 68 is negative 4. At dahil less than 0 ang negative 4, we can say we have two imaginary solutions. Alright? Let's try another one. Say we have x squared minus 8x plus 16 equals 0. Sulat natin yung coefficients. The leading coefficient is 1. The linear coefficient b is negative 8. The constant term is 16. The formula for discriminant is b squared minus 4 times a times c. Substitute natin. B squared, b is negative 8. Negative 8 squared minus 4 times a is 1, times c is 16. Negative 8 squared is 64, minus 4 times 1 times 16 is 64. So this time, the discriminant is equal to 0. And kapag 0 ang discriminant, meron ka lamang 1 real solution. Pero ang multiplicity niyan ay 2. Okay? Binanggit ko na yung kanina. Next, say we have x squared minus 8x plus 15 equals 0. Sulat natin yung coefficients. The leading coefficient is 1 again. The linear coefficient p is negative 8, while the constant term is 15. The discriminant formula is p squared minus 4ac. Substitute. p squared, p is negative 8, minus 4 times a is 1, times c is 15. Negative 8 squared is 64, minus 4 times 1 times 15 is 60. And 64 minus 60 is positive 4. And since the discriminant is greater than 0, we have 2 real solutions. How about this one? 3x squared plus 2x, let's say plus 5, equals 0. Okay, the leading coefficient a is 3. The linear coefficient b is positive 2. The constant term c is positive 5. Discriminant d is equal to the square of b minus 4 times a times c. Substitute. b squared, b is 2, minus 4 times a is 3, times c is 5. 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 3 times 5 is 60. And 4 minus 60 is equal to negative 56. And since negative 56 is a negative value or less than 0, it means we have 2 imaginary solutions. Let's try one more. Analyze natin yung roots ng quadratic function 2x squared minus 7x, let's say minus 9 equals 0. Okay? The leading coefficient is 2. The linear coefficient p is negative 7, while the constant term is negative 9. The discriminant formula is p squared minus 4 times a times c. Substitute. b squared, b is negative 7. So negative 7 squared minus 4 times a is 2, times c is negative 9. Negative 7 squared is 49, minus 4 times 2 times negative 9 is 72. Rather, negative 72. Okay? And negative times negative, it becomes positive. 49 plus 72. Therefore, the discriminant is equal to 121. And 121 is obviously a positive number, which tells us na meron tayong 2 real solutions.